You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just body. I see. I like it. I want it. I got it. I want it. I got it. I want it. I got it. I want it. I get it. I want it. I get it. You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just body. I see. I like it. I want it. I got it.
When you're looking for a savior, be money, be the major. Cause you know I got the paper. Everywhere I go, they call me Cash Madam. Send me fresh and clean, call me Cash Madam. Anything you want, you know I got the Cash Madam. Baby, Cash Madam, call me Cash Madam. Everywhere I go, they call me Cash Madam. Send me fresh and clean, call me Cash Madam. Anything
oh, yeah, give me love cause I die. Now your love is they control my mind. Give me love, make we do all the time. Give me love, make we dance, make we dance.
Bajo non the bandera, bajo non the mollo. Pero mina man for suicide among the yastrido some ginger. In the back of basom.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I installed this cute bun. So the company I work with today is Wigsbuy. Okay, I'm going to leave the link over here and down below. Okay, they sent to me 2 bundles of this cute and curly hair. I only use 1.5. Okay, so I'm going to show everything in the video. I use this Eco Styler gel that has coconut oil in it. I use this and that's all. I'm going to show everything that I did in the video. Okay, so as I say, the company is Wigsbuy. I'm going to leave their link down below, also the direct link to this hair also down below. Okay, so the contact I'm wearing today is from colorcl.com. Today I'm wearing the Black Monthly Edition from Siesta Collection. So I'm wearing the gray series and this color is Cloud Gray. How cute. My discount code is GGLOW10 for you to get 10% off from each order you have from colorcl.com. Don't forget GGLOW10 for 10% off. My lashes today are from Mimo Lashes. You can also get them in colorcl.com. Today I'm wearing the classic collection, the CW01. How cute. So this is, oh my god, this is the one I'm wearing today. Okay, my discount code is GGLOW10 so you can get some cash off. Okay, so normally these lashes are from $2 to $3, so it's very cheap. Okay, very cheap. So go and order and don't forget to use GGLOW10 for some cash off. Que no se te olvide. So my cuties, if you want to know how I install this cute bun over here, just keep watching.
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. This body baby, oh. This body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the base, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel it, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm free. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm free. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. The bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me. Baby, make you follow me, I go give you all of me. I'm motion, say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I wanting her more. That me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. That me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. You don't know. Vicky's bad man point instrumental. Give me the one time. It's okay. Bad bounty go take you there. Pull up. Bad man finna gone away. It's okay. Bad man finna take you there. Pull up.
I don't like coconut, but I wanted to buy the other one which was having argan, but they didn't have it, so I'm still going to buy the other one because it's not smelling that bad though, but it's just that I don't like coconut. The only good thing about this is that it shines a lot. It's very cute.
Bad girl make you wine to the base, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel relate, nah. The way you back it up, the way you boss in the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. That me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. That me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me. Baby make you follow me. I go give you all of me. I'm motion, say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I wanting her more. That me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. That me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. You don't know. Vicky's bad man point instrumental. Give me the one time. It's okay. Bad bounty go take you there. Pull up. Bad man finna gone away. It's okay. Bad man finna take you there. Pull up. You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. His body baby oh. His body baby oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the base, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel relate, nah.
If you like this video and this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe right there, click the bell button over there and share, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Man here wine I'm to the beat. That me low, tell me what you want.
Can you remember say my mewa? Don't use this love way me wa. Girl I'm feeling you. Let your body go banana. I am in family banana. I'm feeling you ta ta ta. deliver. I look for the young deliver.
She look more bonita, the way she move remind me of Selena. She rocks up, she dips up, she only dance to reggae and calypso.